So parameters in functions are, when you've defined a function, it's what's in the brackets at the top. So you've got here, we've got my function, and we've got a parameter known as fname. So when we call the function lower down, whatever we pass in the brackets becomes this variable here, known as a parameter. Okay, so in this first function call, let me just clear this, I'm passing Tobias as a string that's going to become fname. So then when this function runs and it says print hello fname, or fname's Tobias. On the second function call, I'm passing Bob instead. So then this function is going to print hello Bob instead of hello Tobias. Okay, so these parameters, you can have as many as you want, separate them by commas. And there, let me show you a different one. So if we did a simple addition one, so we could have num1, num2, and then we could print num1 plus num2. Now, because it's 2, what's going to happen if I run this? It's going to error because I'm passing it one thing, Tobias, and it's going to say my function is missing one required positional argument. So basically, I've passed it one thing, but I'm asking for 2. So I could pass it 6 and 9, and then what it will do is it will return the 15 because that is 6 plus 9. All right, so these things here, they're known as parameters, and they're really useful for making a function. So we've made a simple addition function now, so I can pass it any numbers, call it multiple times, and it's running the same function, but it's just the things I'm passing it are changing.